guys, welcome back to #girlwiththebraces, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an origami pinwheel. This is going to be so much fun. Anyway guys, comment down below if you want me to make any more origami videos and comment which one you want me to make. If you guys aren't subscribed or have liked this video, go do that now. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, beep! So let's get started with the video. Let's go! Comment if you like it. Anyway guys, so that was your origami pinwheel. I really hope you liked it. Anyway, bye guys!